Okay, we are back with the lesson 20 problem set now. So if you look here today, we see a page that is full of number bonds. Remember a number bond? We have a total, which in class we've called the party circle, and then our parts always lead us to the total. Now today, if you look at the total in our number bonds, they are all going to be teen numbers. We're going to think about how we can break a teen number up into its 10. So we have a 10 and then the loose ones. And then not only are we going to fill out a number bond, we're going to write the number sentence or an equation to go along with the number bond. So if we look at the first one, our example shows us the teen number 13. We know that 13 is made up of 10 and 3. So they did our parts 10 and 3. A hint, all of our parts here, there's going to be one 10 and then the loose one. So we have 10 and then a 3. And then our number sentence says 13 equals 10 plus 3. So we can move on to the next one. What number is this? Yep, 15. And so we know we're going to have a 10. And 15 is made up of a 10 and then how many ones? Yep, 5 ones. So we'd write a 5 here. 10 and 5 make 15. So if you look at our number sentence, it says 15 equals, and then we can say 10 plus 5. Okay, if we look over here, we can see 10 and 7. Now 10, 7, if we say it the say 10 way, 10, 7 makes what teen number? Yep, 17. And then we can fill out our number sentence and say 17 equals 10, I'll close my 0, 10 plus 7. Okay, what's this one right here? Yep, 10 and 8. And then if you look down here in our number sentence, they've actually given us our parts, and we're looking for the total in the number sentence and the total in the number bond. So 10, 8 is the same as 18, exactly right. So we have the 1 in our tens place, and then 8 ones, and we can come down here and say that 10, 8 is the same as 18. Okay, 10 plus 6. So we know 10 plus 6 will be the same as our parts, 10. And then our other part is 6, right? If we put 10 and 6 together, we get what teen number? Yep, 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. If we look, the total is blank, but we have the parts 10 and 4. So we can fill in the parts of our number bond 10 and 4. And let's think, 10, 4 is the same as 14, exactly right. So 10, 4 makes 14. Okay, 2 more. What number do we have here? Yep, it's the teen number 12. So if we think of 12, we can put it in the total spot of our number bond. So we have 12, and now we know we have a 10. So 12 is made up of 10 and how many loose ones? Yep, 2, because if we look here in the ones place, that 2 tells us we've got 2 ones. So 10 and 2 make 12. I can fill out my number sentence to say 12 equals 10 plus 2. Okay, last one is 11. Now if we fill out our number bond, we know we have a 10. And then how many loose ones? Yep, 1 loose one. So 10, 1 is the same as 11. And if we look at our number sentence, we see the equal sign is first and the plus sign is second. So if we start with the equal sign and we're adding, that means we're going to start with our total. And then the plus sign is going to put our parts together. So our total was 11. And then our parts are 10 and 1. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. And then if you look over here, you can make your own teen number bonds and number sentences on the back. I don't think we did 19. You could challenge yourself and try 20. But great work.